Hi, welcome to Informatica support videos. My name is Faizan. I am here to talk about cleaning the config in IDR. The agenda for the video are when and how to clean the config in IDR, when to perform the config clean operation. We can perform the config clean operation in below scenario. To remove replication processing information for all the replication tasks that are associated with the replication configuration. Secondly, if we want to edit start points for change data extraction and for apply processing, then we need to clean the config. Performing clean operation will delete all the checkpoints of the previous runs. Just updating the extractor start point will not be sufficient. We need to remove the checkpoints of the previous runs as well. If we perform config clean operation, what it will remove? It removes the following: intermediate files, checkpoint information, information about previous configuration revisions, service information that the replication tasks added to the configuration, information about open transactions and processed database logs. I want to add few more information in context to the intermediate files. The clean operation deletes intermediate files regardless of the values for the following Server Manager Advanced Properties settings. Here are the two fields: intermediate files delete latency and not delete intermediate files. Irrespective of these two values, intermediate files will be deleted. We can see these advanced settings by going to the Servers tab and click on the Servers row and right click and select the properties, or go to the Server Configuration toolbar and click on the Properties and then select on the Advanced Setting tab. What are the things that it doesn't do after performing the config clean? After clean operation, it does not remove replication configuration setting such as source and target connection information, the connection to the recovery table, and the location of the source database logs. So the next is how to perform config clean. There are few things that we should take into consideration before performing the config clean. Disable the scheduler first before starting the config clean. There might be high chances of the scheduler start automatically at the same time while making any changes in the config or cleaning the config. The better options would be to first edit the schedule and disable it. Later, make the necessary changes to the config or clean the config, then enable it. Here are the steps that we should go through to perform the config clean. First, click on the Server Manager, then go to the Configs tab, select the configuration that you want to clean, right click the configuration row and click clean. Or alternatively, you can go by clicking clean icon button on the replication configurations toolbar. The data replication console prompts you to confirm the operation. Click Yes. As shown in this screen, first we need to click Server Manager, then Configs View, then select the required config, then right click, you will get these options and click on the clean. It will perform the config clean operation for the selected config. Alternatively, we can use clean icon present in the config configurations toolbar. What will be the IDR state after performing the config clean operation? After a clean operation, the extractor and applier tasks associated with the configuration appears as if they have never run. It means it will act as like fresh run. If you start replication tasks, extraction processing begins back at the default start SCN value. Also, the sync SCN is set to the last SCN value that the applier used for the configuration. For more information, please refer IDR guide. The link is given. For feedback, we would love to hear from you. You may write to us on supportvideos@informatica.com or twitter.com/infasupport. Thank you.